Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to share location in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to share location in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp, and from over here guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to share your location. If that person is not on this list guys, you can see the plus button on a green box at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on there and search for that person over here by tapping on the magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen. And after searching for them, open the chat box like this. Now in order to send your location or share your location, you can see there is the attachment icon available for us on the message bar over here just beside the camera icon. If you tap on it, a bunch of options will appear like this, where you can see the location option available for us just beside the audio. Tap on location, and if you have not yet shared location on WhatsApp, WhatsApp will require a few permissions from your phone, except those terms and conditions. And after that, over here you will be on this interface after accepting all the permissions required for WhatsApp in order to share the location. Now from over here, either you can share your live location or send your current location, whichever may you do, it's upon you. So in this video we'll just be sending the current location over here, and this way guys, the location will be shared in WhatsApp. And with that being said guys, this is how to share location in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.